Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muslima Dibatuan Limpao from Bangsam Ranao, and you're here sa Panaghiusa 2024 and greeting you with a happy 6th anniversary of Kadagpan Digital.
Hello everyone, Mopian Aldo. Good day. I am Jovi Malubanay Otahi. You're here sa Kalambuan 2025. My greetings is happy 6 years to Kadagpan Digital. We're so very grateful to have you alongside in our journey of Hiya sa Kadayawan. We're so very grateful. Thank you.
Hello, I am Catherine Kate Oda. Ang inyong hiya sa Panaghiusa gikan sa Tribong Bagobo, Tagabawa. Greetings to the Kadagpan Digital. Happy 6 years on your journey on air. We are so grateful to have a space like this na maka-voice out me sa amo-ang advocacies and then makitaan siya sa larger na platform. So padayon lang sa it's a public service no for information, mag-spread of mga information, news inside and outside the Davao region. Ayun lang po.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Mabuhay ug madayaw. I am Siti Hana R. Sangkan. You're reading Hiya sa Kadayawan 2025. And I just want to say happy 6th year to the Kadagpan Digital. Actually, I was very happy to have this kind of platform where we can not only showcase the beauty but also no thankful sa kayo to the Kadagpan because in every event they're present and they did not really go beyond the idea na dapat ang ipakita lang nimo is more in pageants pero wala jud sila pili especially in Hiya sa Kadayawan. And to sir, thankful kaayo me because we have someone like you na grabe ang service not only to the Davao region but also to the other places as well.